Advanced Manufacturing, CNC Programming, and Operation Programs.
This is the second pathway. It's advanced manufacturing, CNC machining, and we have two awards in this department. In this program, you'll learn how to use Haas equipment, which is the leading machine tool builders in the United States. And we have 14 of their machines in our lab. Okay, we have Fusion is our primary software used for modeling and programming computer-aided manufacturing code. And we have our lasers. We have a few Haas fiber lasers, and our CO2 lasers are Universal Laser Systems brand. And our water jet systems are OMAX brand. Okay, so this particular certificate of achievement is 11 classes. We are working on some shorter awards that we'll release next year. If you're looking to just take one class in our department to get job ready skills in 8 weeks, you want to enroll in ADVM 5A, but there's an industry certification you can earn in that first class. Okay, so go over to all the classes within this certificate. We again have ADVM 70, graphic design, introduction to digital design. That way you can get Illustrator under your belt. And we do require the first technical drafting class, ADVM 1A, as part of this certificate as well, because it's important that you learn how to read blueprint, what used to be called blueprints, but technical drawings. Then we have ADVM 2A, which is CAD for manufacturing processes, followed by 2B, which is Intro to CAD CAM, or computer aided design / computer aided manufacturing. Then we follow with ADVM 3D. It's our additive manufacturing class. And then we have our ADVM 4A cutting and fabrication level 1 class. So I've already talked about those a little bit. And then we have our 5 series classes. So you'll take ADVM 5A through E. There is a 5F, but it's an elective. These are required for the certificate. Again, these are 8-week classes, so you take 2 a semester. So in your first semester, you should take 5A and B, second semester, 5C and D, and your third semester, 5E, and if you choose to, 5F. Okay, our Associates of Science degree, same technical classes, same name. You do have to take a couple of electives from our list, and then you have to complete the community college general education requirements. That's a total of 60 units. Again, this is stackable. If you earn the certificate of achievement on your way, you can earn that first and then earn your associate's degree later. The certificate of achievement takes 3 semesters to complete that certificate. For a full-time student, the associate's is 2 years.
Apply now at sierracollege.edu. And to check out the latest things in our program, follow us on social media